What's up everybody, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about iOS 27 Developer Beta 1. I've been running this on my iPhone for about 6 hours now. Right after WWDC ended and this came out, I went ahead and put it on my phone. And so far, it has been running surprisingly well. I was intending on making a video on the new Siri, but as of right now, my phone is still indexing, so it looks like not all these Siri features are available, such as like finding stuff in messages and stuff like that. I was able to get that working on my Mac, but it's not finding anything in messages just quite yet on my iPhone. For example, I'll go ahead and do a quick demonstration. What is Austin saying about iOS 27? If I were to ask this on my Mac, it pulls up our conversation on iOS 27 and other stuff about iOS. But here on my iPhone, and I've tried this on my iPhone Air and my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I get the same response. But for example, it does work in emails. What is Samsung saying about my warranty on my S26 Ultra? It will find emails from Samsung in my case manager on my warranty repair on my Galaxy S26 Ultra. Oops. Actually, I should be able to, I'm just going to redo it. What is Samsung saying about my S26 Ultra repair? We'll try that way as well. And as you can see, it does pull up the relevant emails and more information and kind of summarizes those, and there's the other one right there. So that's pretty cool if you need to quickly search through like an email, or you have a question about something that you remember seeing in an email. You can just ask Siri and it will find that relevant email for you and kind of summarize it and provide any additional emails that might be related to that, which is very cool. It does that with messages as well, but again, I think it needs to finish indexing and getting all the information and stuff like that, because the Siri waitlist ended a little bit after I installed the beta. But so far, everything has been really stable. I'm very surprised on how well everything is performing. As you can see, we do have indexing in progress still right there. But so far, it's running really good. It's actually better, in my opinion, than iOS 26. The stable release, this feels more polished than that did. So I'm really excited to be trying this out. Of course, back in settings here, we have a new section here called Appearance, and that's where you'll find your dark mode, your light mode, your liquid glass settings. So you've got this slider here for that. I've been using it kind of right there in between, liquid glass and in the middle. You've got your display zoom and your reduced motion and everything like that on the bottom. So I'm still playing around with everything. I just wanted to do an initial kind of, first impressions video and let you guys know how it's doing. Battery life on the iPhone Air, again, hasn't been too bad. Like I said, it is still indexing though, so we have that in progress, which will use some battery. But everything else has been running very good. I had one crash. Right after I restarted the phone, I went to swipe down and that did cause a restart, but that's the only thing that has crashed so far, and I'm just going to chalk that up to the phone was starting back up. So I don't really think it's a big issue. I haven't had any other issues with apps crashing or lagging or anything like that. So performance has been very good. I will be doing an update video tomorrow, kind of like a first 24 hours video, and I will detail some more of the new features and changes that I have found here in iOS 27. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.